Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badane and today's date is 16 November 2021 and I have completed my BE in Mechanical from Matusli College of Engineering Nasik and I have secured 7.63 CGPA in my graduation and today we will discuss about on data types. The data types are specify the different sizes and value that can be stored in the variable. Its example is int a is equal to 9. Int is a data types and a is a variable and 9 is a value with a store in the variable. So there are two types of data type. First is a primitive and second is a non-primitive. Primitive is inbuilt in the system and non-primitive is data type is derived by the user. In a primitive data type there are 8 main primitive data types. First is a byte, second is a short, third is a int, fourth is a float, fifth is a long, 6 is a double and 7 is a character and 8 is a boolean. And in non-primitive data type there are many types of non-primitive data types. First is a class, second is a string, third is a array. In primitive data types we discuss one by one. First is a byte. Byte takes 1 byte memory and its default value is 0 and its value range from minus 128 to 127. Second primitive data type is short. Short take 2 byte memory and its default value is 0 and its value range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 60 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 60 divided by 2 minus 1. And third non-primitive data type is integer. Integer are most commonly used data types in the Java programming language, and it's take a 4 byte memory. Its default value is 0. And its value range from in a bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 minus 1. And next non-primitive data type is float. Float take 4 byte memory and its default value is 0.0f and its value range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 minus 1. And next non-primitive data type is long. Store the long value and it's take 8 byte memory and its default value is 0L. In long primitive data type we can write at the end of the value capital L. Its value range from 2 raised to 6 minus 2 raised to 64 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 64 divided by 2 minus 1. And next non-primitive data type is double. Double take 8 byte memory and its default value is 0.0d. Default value is more accurate than the float non-primitive data type and it's take 8 byte memory. Next, non-primitive data type is a char. Character store the numerical value and as well as store the character. It's take a 2 byte memory because it's support the Unicode. Next, non-primitive data type is a Boolean. Boolean size depends on JVM. Its default value is false, and it's only two values, that is true or false. Next data type is a non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data types are derived by the user. First is a string. String is a sequence of character. We can write string name. In a string name, S is a capital, and A is equal to, in double inverted comma, the string name. String is a non-primitive data type, and A is a variable and equal to in double inverted comma name, and name is a that is a sequence of character that can be stored in the string data type. And next, non-primitive data type is array. Array is a collection of similar data types. Thank you.